Namaste everyone, welcome to today's topic Kundalini Yoga. The Kundalini Yoga consists of total 72,000 nadis. The three main nadis, they are Ida, Pingala and Sushnumna nadi. Kundalini Yoga. सशैलवनधात्रीणां यथाधरोहि नायकः सर्वेषां योगमन्त्राणां तथाधरोहि कुण्डली. It is Kundalini definition. There are total 7 chakras. Chaturdalam cha sadhadaram, swadishtanam cha षड्दलं, नाभो दशदलं पद्मं, सूर्यसंख्यादलं दहि, कण्ठे स्यात् षोडशदलं, भ्रूमध्ये द्विदलं तथा सहस्रदलमख्यातं ब्रह्मरन्ध्रो महापते. Mooladhara chakra location at the base of the spine. Moola plus Adhara, Mooladhara. Root support is given by Mooladhara chakra. The Bija mantra for this chakra to activate is Lam. The word Lam activates this chakra. Swadhisthana chakra, it is approximately 2 fingers above the Mooladhara, at the level of the penis in men and level of the upper end of vagina in women. The Bija mantra to evacuate this is Vam, Manipura chakra. It is in the spine behind the navel region. It is also called as city of jewels. The Bija mantra for the enhancing of this Manipura chakra is Ram. Anahata chakra. Location is in the spine behind the sternum level of the heart. Anahata means unstruck. The Bija mantra to enhance the energy of this Anahata chakra is Yam. The element is air. Sense is touch. Vishuddhi chakra. Kantakope vishuddhakyam yat chakram shodasharakam petam jalandharamnam Tishtatri Sureshwaraha. The Bija mantra is Hum. Agnya chakra. Agnya Natra Bhuve Madhye Dvidhalam chakram. There are 2 petals in this Agnya chakra which is present between the eyebrows. The Bija mantra is Om. The element is mind. Sahasrara chakra, Sahasradalamakyatam Brahmarandro Mahapate. It is told in Ashtanga Yoga, Samadhipada. Sahasrara means 1000. So, this Sahasrara chakra has thousands of petals. The silence can also evacuate this. Thank you. Have a healthy